Today I'm going to narrate a short story on the topic Daw Butshu. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful village, and in the village there lived three good friends. Purba was an orphan but a smart boy, while Pema was the son of a rich man and Doji the son of a farmer. They spent all the time playing, walking, eating and sharing funny stories together. They lived a very happy life. However, each year the water source in the village dried up and the village people went through a difficult time. The chieftain of the village would always assign someone to restore the water source, but nobody ever returned to the village after the task. Who is it? The Chichap is calling you to his place. Okay, I am coming. Puba, you are aware that this is the time when our water source dries up. This year, the responsibility is upon you to restore the water source. So you have to leave early morning the day after tomorrow anyhow. Lasla, thinking about this dangerous mission, Fuba was sad and stayed all by himself and avoided meeting his friends. The next morning, where were you yesterday? We could not find you anywhere. I had something to do and could not meet you. Please don't get angry. Come, let us go and play Dago. Two of you continue. I have to go to the toilet. Okay, but come fast. Purba lied his two friends about him going to the toilet with the intent to keep them busy with the game. Instead, he ran to his hut to prepare himself to go to restore the water source. But in the meantime, oh, how can you eat like this? Yeah, even I don't understand him. He doesn't need us anymore. No, it is not like what you two are thinking. Then what is it? Tell us. Purba explained to them about his preparation to go to restore the water source and the danger of performing the tasks there. But his friends emphasized that friendship is all about helping each other in difficult times. Despite repeated rejection by Fuba, the friends insisted that they accompany him, and in the end, Purba accepted their plea to join him to fulfill his duty. After eating together, the three friends carried their provisions and went outside to begin their journey. Mother, what are the boys doing? The orphan is chosen as the sacrifice to a serpent at the water source. The serpent has awakened. Once in a year, the serpent wakes up and drinks up all the water. Only the taste of human blood puts him back to sleep. So, each year, the village makes a human sacrifice to ensure continuous water flow. Since it is Puba's turn this year, they are on the way up to restore the water source. Poor boys, don't they have any other way, Mother? Only if his two friends are willing. Mother, what is their solution? There is a old sword at the rich boy's house, which is powerful enough to put an end to the serpent. The sword will help them. They will have to cut the snake into pieces and three friends have to suck its blood from each piece. Then whatever they spit out from their mouth will be all treasures of Ser Z. But if they spit greedily, their treasures will stop coming out. The three friends kept two eagles' conversation in mind, carried the old sword and began their journey towards the water source. The boys cut the serpent into three pieces and sucked the blood as conversed between the two eagles. And while spitting, their spits turned into gold, silver and cat's eye. The boys are very happy. Let us not spit anymore, otherwise we will not be able to carry our treasures home. Let us go home. Okay, okay. I am so tired now. I cannot walk anymore. Even me, my legs are hurting. Something is coming towards us. Be alert. Oh, where are you going? Have you all lost your way? It is night. Wild animals may attack you. Come, spend the night at my house and continue your journey tomorrow morning. Thank you so much. Boys, eat well. Thank you so much. The food is delicious. Having enjoyed the hospitality, the three friends discussed to present gifts to the host. So when Pema spied a handful of gold, the daughter saw it and told her mother. They even tried to spit, but the treasures did not come out. With greed, the mother asked her daughter to make the boys drink until they got drunk. They even tried to spit, but the treasures did not come out. When the boys were completely drunk, the mother and the daughter tempted the boys into playing a spitting game. The treasures that came out of the spits of the boys were kept by the mother and the daughter. The next morning, Amma, thank you for your hospitality. Oh, it's our pleasure. Be careful on your ways, boys. Oh, today is so hot. Yeah, I am thirsty as well. Let us take rest under that tree. Oh, there is water too. While the friends drank water and were resting, they looked for the treasures in their pockets. They even tried to spit, but the treasures did not come out. Quarrel started as they doubted and accused each other, and eventually they parted ways. On the way, Purba got lost in the woods. While looking for the right way, he saw a monk in meditation. Oh, yesterday night the mother and the daughter might have cheated us. Or maybe not. But there is a saying that trusted people will break the trust as well. Anyways, I will go back to their house once. So, they are the thieves. I will teach these two evils a lesson. Oh my goodness, such a bad omen. Oh villagers, we are turned into monkeys. Please help us. After turning the mother and the daughter to monkeys, Purba tied them near their house. He then hid in the nearby bush and watched the villagers gather around the monkeys. Seeing the monkeys, the villagers were surprised and felt funny too. In the meanwhile, Purba also joined the crowd and said, "Listen to me. I have the power to turn these two monkeys back to humans, provided you all agree to do as I instruct. Dear boy, if you can do this, we will definitely listen to you. Please turn them back to humans. Okay, now fetch me willow sticks so that I can whip them till they tell the truth. Only when the truth is revealed, I will be able to change them back to humans." The villagers agreed to Purba and started to collect enough willow sticks. Purba started whipping the two monkeys. After a while, when the monkeys could not bear the pain anymore, they begged Purba for forgiveness and revealed the truth. After getting the information, Purba went inside their house and collected all the treasures taken from him and his friends. Without the knowledge of the villagers, Purba turned the monkeys back to human by rubbing white flour on their noses. The villagers were happy to see the mother and the daughter change back to human form. Due to weeping, the mother and the daughter were in extreme pain. However, they realized and learned that becoming rich through greediness and cheating people is wrong. Then Fuba carried all the treasures and went in search of his friends. Wei, Pema, Doji, Wei, Pema si, Doji si. After a while, Fuba found his two friends and they reunited, forgetting their past incident. The reunion further deepened their friendship and trust for each other. They also learned that greatness could be achieved through cooperation, harmony, and teamwork. With the serpent killed and the water flowing continuously in the village, the friends, along with their treasures, returned to the village and lived happily ever after. If you like this story, please like, share, and subscribe. Until then, thanks for being with me. Thank you.